what's good YouTube? I'm Diablos, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to combine TOR with I2p on Android. So let's get into it. Now, if you are familiar with I2p, you would know that it's pretty much as secure as TOR is. Both are overlay networks, and they can host hidden services. You know, like TOR has its Onion service, and I2p has its own kind called eepsites. In short, I2p is an ecosystem that encrypts all communications and traffic through the I2p network. Much like TOR, although it's not TOR. There are two different networks that operate similar but not exactly the same. Anyways, I'm pretty sure you get the hang of I2p by now. So, how is this done? Well, first we need to route all of our traffic through TOR, ensuring our IP stays hidden and our traffic encrypted. Second, we're going to need to route all of our traffic from our browser through the I2p's network, aka I2p's proxies or out proxies, which is basically like a TOR exit node, but it's I2p's version. It's what we're going to need to use to access the ClearNet. Introducing Invizible Pro, a free and open source application that will allow you to route all of your traffic through TOR, encrypting your DNS with DNS crypt, and opening a relay for I2p services to run. When you download the app, you can choose to configure the settings of TOR, DNS crypt, or I2p. However, if you're scared you might enable something or disable something that may ruin the services of the app, don't touch anything. Well, at least apart from what I tell you to touch, because you're going to need settings, well, at least from I2p. So, open the settings of I2p and enable the I2p Out proxy. We're going to need this to access the ClearNet. After that, you're done. Just close out the settings and, start the app, start the services. Now, after you're done with that, we're going to need to configure the browser of your choice. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using Firefox, but I would not recommend Firefox. I would actually recommend Fennec Browser, which can be downloaded from the FOSS, I think it's called the F-Droid app. So you can download that from the F-Droid app. It's basically like a Firefox-based browser. It will be linked to the description. But anyways, it's free and open source, so yeah, download that. With that said, though, open Firefox. Like I said, it's going to be used for this video only. I would not recommend Firefox, but open Firefox and navigate to the About config. Now, we're going to need to go to the proxy settings of, the browser. Now, in the SSL address and port, we're going to need to type in 127.0.0.1 as the address, and as the port is 4444. Now, do this for the HTTP addresses too, and this includes the port, so 127.0.0.1 for the address, and for the port 4444. All you gotta do is just close out that after doing that, and you're done. Immediately, you may not be able to connect to the ClearNet sites. You would definitely be able to, surf the eepsites of I2p, but ClearNet may have to wait, or it may be a delay, because I2p actually takes a longer time to load for the ClearNet. It does increases your anonymity, but the waiting process may be instant or at least 10 minutes. And this video is actually running, so you can see that I'm actually connecting to the website. So you can see that it shows I2p's out proxy for the hostname. Now that shows that it's running. Now after that's done, after waiting, but it will work. But after it's done and it's working, you're pretty much, boost it up with anonymity. You got TOR running and you got I2p, both overlay networks. You're good to go. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the video. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe, for more content. And it's been your boy, Diablos. Peace.